Hey first graders, remember back in October when we buried a pumpkin and we put all that trash in it? Well, just to remind you, here are the things that we put inside. We put in a water bottle, a milk carton, a paper towel and a napkin, a straw, and a plastic cup like you get fruit in the cafeteria, a tortilla, a sandwich, a cheese cup, a Sprite can, a salad with inside its paper boat, a styrofoam cup, and I thought it was Capri Sun, evidently it was Kool-Aid pouch. And we tried to decide what would be left. We dug up the hole where the pumpkin used to be, and we didn't find much pumpkin. There was a little goo on some of the stuff we found. We did find the water bottle, and it looks pretty much like it did. We could clean it up and it would look the same as it went in there. We found the Sprite can, same thing, pumpkin seeds on it. And it's dirty, but it still looks just like the Sprite can. Oh, and there was a tomato stuck to it that also did not decompose.
Which is weird.
That was a little surprising. It must have been really protected inside there. The milk carton, it's a little bit soggy, but you can still definitely tell it's a milk carton. It's all there. None of it's gone. The styrofoam cup, it's broken into pieces, but we found the pieces too. And it's all still there. The same with the cheese cup, that's plastic, and the plastic fruit cup, and the Kool-Aid pouch and the straw, all still there. The pumpkin was mostly gone. All the fruit of the pumpkin was gone. We did find its stem, still in pretty good shape, and quite a few seeds stuck to stuff. A little bit of goo that was the pumpkin fruit, but mostly it's decomposed. If we left it a little longer, it would be gone. Didn't find any of the lettuce from the salad, and there was more than one tomato. This is the only one that survived. So I think it would have been gone if we left it a little longer as well. We didn't find the paper napkin or the paper towel. And we didn't find the tortilla or the sandwich. So all of the food stuff and the paper items do decompose when they're buried. These things still survive. So when we bury these in a landfill, which is where your trash goes when you throw it out or take it, the garbage truck comes and takes it, it gets buried in a landfill, and these things don't go away. So that's why we need to think about this on Earth Day, which we celebrated yesterday, and think about using things a little differently instead of making so much trash that won't go away. Instead of using a new plastic water bottle every time we drink, we could use refillable bottles, and that would save a lot of room in the landfill and not make the earth so trashy. Aluminum cans can be recycled very easily, and we can even do that here in Cross Plains because the elementary school has a recycle can, and we sell those cans and give the money to the Community Cancer Fund, so it helps in two ways. It's a little harder to recycle some things in Cross Plains because we don't have the way to do that. You can haul things to Abilene. If you have plastics and paper goods and things like that, you can recycle those in Abilene cardboard. But mostly it's better not to make so much trash to begin with. So we need to think about that in taking care of our earth.